Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to use Binance auto investment feature. In order to use your Binance auto investment feature, you have to follow these steps. First of all, you need to go and log in into your Binance account, and when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. Now from the home page, you have to go ahead and navigate to your Binance profile. So click on the profile or the logo from the top left hand side corner. Now right on this page, you could either go to the option that says simple earn, or you could also go ahead and click on more services. And here you can go ahead and tap on the search box and type in auto investment or auto invest. When you locate that, you can go ahead and start with this procedure. So go ahead and read all of these instructions and tap the next button when you've done with this and click on get started. Now you have this pop-up menu, so you need to go ahead and use your credit card or debit card, all that. Click on the OK button and you can start creating your plan and all that. Now that you've already done with this procedure, you can go ahead and select the asset for which you wish to go ahead and set up an auto invest. I'm gonna go with Bitcoin, and if you're sure about it, click the OK button and just go ahead and follow the instructions of the prompt, and you can find a single crypto plan, and you have to click on the auto invest option in front of the cryptocurrency and you want to auto invest, after which you can start to create your auto investment plan. So that is how you can use auto investment feature in your Binance account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.